Hi, Beth and Jess here for Wine and Define. Today we're going to talk about what happens if either myself or my spouse owns a business. How is that resolved? It's very confusing because I don't have a W-2. How is the court going to be aware of how much I make through my business, or how will I know, do I have an interest in that business? Well, we're here to tell you about it. First, typically, what one would do is retain a forensic accountant in order to determine both what is an accurate cash flow for purposes of alimony, as well as what might be the interest at stake for purposes of equitable distribution. This accountant would review records that would be requested in discovery and ultimately go on site to the other party or your own business and make a determination as to what might be involved. Sometimes we're going to argue as well over the percentage of interest that a party might have to a business. For example, if a party was very involved in their spouse's business, they did the books, they were involved in marketing or whatever, then it might be arguable that a 50% interest would be necessary. However, as Beth will tell us, typically it's a third.
Yes, typically the money that is realized from working in the business is being used to pay support. And therefore, if the business was divided equally between two of the parties, the non-working party in the business would actually be getting a greater share if he or she was receiving support based on the income of the business. The important thing to remember is that businesses, whether they're owned by one person, whether it's a sole proprietorship business or a bigger business, is an asset that's subject to equitable distribution in your divorce.
Yes, just like, for example, how a house would be subject or a retirement account. Ultimately, it's an asset. Here at Dalena Bosch, we're very experienced with business valuations. Predominantly, the majority of our cases happen to involve them. So call us if you have any questions regarding this issue. 973-377-2066. Holding your hand when you need it most, before, during, and after divorce. Have a great day.